Musa Mseleku's wives on season 1, 2, 3, they are united. They agreed their decision. When they discuss their issue, they can solve it and move on with their lives. But they started being on out of the lane season 6, season 7. They started not understanding each other. That Macele was out of the lane because Musa Mseleku all the time was keeping asking about the wife number 5. No one was agreed with their decision, especially Mangwawe and Mayeni, but Macele was on the same lane with them. But Macele changed and be out of the lane with the three of them. Makumalo, Mayeni, and Mangwawe, now they are on one lane. Macele is out of the lane. So Macele thinks that Musam Seleku's wives yeti what. It's not about the yeti, but when they agreed their decision together, Macele, she want to be out of the line. That's why they are angry to Macele. It's not about the yeti, because sometimes Musamseleku was the reason why they don't understand each other. Musamseleku started to have conversation with his wives. We don't know that maybe Musamseleku gave Macele a lot of money. That's why Macele agreed that Makwela can come in Musamseleku's life, because what he did Musamseleku, I don't understand to his wives, because he started to have a conversation one by one. He saw that maybe when he asked about the wife number 5, when there are 5 of them, the 4 of them, they don't understand. So Musamseleku started to have conversation to his wives, and Makumalo started not to have a problem on season 6 about the wife number 5. Makumalo, she was looking and understanding women season 5, season 6, and Mayeni and Mangwabe, they started yet it because Makumalo want to be too close to Musamseleku and Macele now. Macele was out of their lane totally because Macele agreed about Makwela, but Macele didn't tell his sister's wives that I agreed about the wife number 5. Macele was supposed to sit down to his sister's wives if you want them to get along, that I decide that Musamseleku can take the wife number 5 if they can be angry or what. But Macele, she was supposed to have a meeting with the Musamseleku's wives, that I agreed that Musamseleku can marry the wife number 5 if she was honest to them. But Macele didn't come true to them, because there is something Musamseleku, he promised Macele that if you agreed to marry, that I can took the wife number 5, I will do 1, 2, 3. Macele, you know that she is always spoiled by Musamseleku than other wives. That's why you saw now is different. When they are starting Utando Nestembu season 1, 2, 3, Musamseleku was sharing his wives equally. Even the grocery, everything what he is doing, he was doing to them equally. But Musamseleku on season 6, 7, he started separate them now. When he loves that woman too much, he can do more to that woman. And we saw now that Tumakumalo, he was not contributing anything now to other wives, or do small to Mangwabe. He can show small things, because Msamseleku have a meeting on season 5 that those wives are not tolerating me, so I have to reduce those things I was doing to them, what, because they don't tolerate me. That's why Mangwabe started changing, because Mangwabe saw that Musamseleku was the one who started change to treat his wives. Other wives, they are start treated like queens. Other wives, they start treated like slaves. We started saw it on season 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, because even the way you was started talking to Makumalo, you can saw that the way he started talking to Makumalo on season 5 and the way he is talking to Macele is different. That's why Musamseleku have a gap to bring Makwela, because you saw when those wives they start separated, don't understand each other. Musamseleku have a gap to come with Makwela, because Macele accept Makwela You understand?